Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. TCL Roku TV green screen fix in few minutes. Is your TCL Roku TV showing a green screen? Don't worry. In this video, we show you the easiest and most effective way to fix the green screen or green tint issue on your TCL Roku TV. Whether it's a cable problem or a display setting error, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to restore your screen color fast. Power cycle the TV. A simple power cycle can resolve temporary glitches causing the green screen. Turn off your TCL Roku TV using the remote or power button. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Wait for at least 1 minute to ensure residual power drains from the system. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Check if the green screen persists when streaming. This method refreshes the TV's internal processes and often fixes minor software issues. Many users report success with this step as it's quick and doesn't require navigating complex menus. Check HDMI connections. Faulty or loose HDMI cables can cause a green screen, especially if you're using external devices like a streaming stick or gaming console. Inspect all HDMI cables connected to your TV. Ensure they're securely plugged into the correct ports. If possible, swap the cable with a new or different HDMI cable to rule out a defective one. Disconnect unnecessary HDMI devices to reduce interference. This step is crucial as a poor HDMI handshake can lead to display issues like a green tint or pixelation. Switch between inputs. Sometimes toggling between TV inputs can reset the display and fix the green screen. Use your Roku remote to navigate to the home screen. Switch to a local or live antenna feed channel for a few minutes. Then return to the streaming app causing the issue. This trick can bypass software bugs affecting specific apps. Users have reported that this method temporarily resolves the green screen, allowing uninterrupted streaming. Restart via Settings menu. If power cycling doesn't work, perform a system restart through the TV settings. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Navigate to Settings. Select System. Scroll to Power and choose System Restart. Confirm by selecting Restart. The TV will reboot, which may take a few minutes. This process resets all running apps and processes, potentially clearing the green screen issue. It's a more structured reboot compared to unplugging the TV. Community.roku.com Update Roku software. Outdated software can cause display issues including green screens. Go to Settings from the Roku home screen. Select System, then System Update. Choose Check Now to search for available updates. If an update is found, install it and let the TV restart. Software updates often include bug fixes that address green screen problems, especially if caused by recent firmware changes. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet for this step to work. Adjust HDMI mode. Incorrect HDMI settings can trigger display issues. Navigate to Settings from the Roku home screen. Select TV inputs, then choose HDMI. Change the HDMI mode from HDMI 1.4 to HDMI 2.0 or vice versa. Test the streaming app afterward to see if the green screen is resolved. This adjustment can improve compatibility between the TV and connected devices, reducing handshake errors that cause green tints. Disable Fast Start option. The Fast Start feature keeps the TV in a low power state, which can sometimes cause encoding issues leading to a green screen. Go to Settings, then System. Select Power and locate the Fast Start option. Turn it off. This ensures the TV performs a full boot each time it's turned on, which can help load encoding software correctly. Users have noted this as a long-term fix for recurring green screen issues. Reinstall affected apps. If the green screen occurs only on specific apps like Netflix or Hulu, try reinstalling them. Go to the Roku home screen. Highlight the problematic app and press the button on your remote. Select Remove Channel. Restart your TV via Settings, System, Power, System Restart. After reboot, go to the Roku channel store and add the app back. Sign in and test if the issue persists. This can fix app-specific glitches causing the green screen. Perform a factory reset. Factory reset restores the TV to its original settings, potentially fixing persistent green screen issues. From the Roku home screen, go to Settings. Select System, then Advanced System Settings. Choose Factory Reset. Enter the prompted password to confirm. The TV will reset and require setup afterward. Check if the green screen is gone after reinstalling apps. Note that this erases all custom settings, so back up any important data first. Contact TCL or Roku support if none of the above solutions work. The issue might be hardware related or require specialized assistance. Contact TCL support through their website, support.tcl.com, or Roku support at their official site. Provide details like your TV model, serial number, and a description of the green screen issue. They may offer advanced troubleshooting or repair options under warranty. This step is essential if you suspect a defective screen or internal hardware failure. These 10 steps cover the most effective ways to address a green screen on your TCL Roku TV. Start with simpler fixes like power cycling and checking cables before moving to resets or support. Most issues stem from software glitches or connection problems, which these methods can resolve. If the problem persists after trying all steps, professional repair may be necessary. Always ensure cables are secure and software is up to date to prevent future issues. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.